Guys, how are you? Just listen to this, put it in your minds. Never expect victory when you have neglected process. Process means time. Process means to take step by step and then you go for success. Don't expect to be congratulated when you haven't been fucked so many times along the way. And people, they normally, after congratulating us, but they don't know how many number of times we have failed when we are trying to make it. They always say that success, but they don't ask how many times you failed when you are coming with those stars. Remember, to maintain such a star, you have already taken a lot of time to get that star on your check. So it means process to come up with it. It means time to come up with that. So process means time. See you.